So would you like to get started with new color filter tutorial? I'm going to show you how to do this with this actual product. I'm going to add a new variant of one color, and I'm going to be adding all these elements here inside the color swatches. So to get started, first of all, I need to install a color swatched application. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description just in case you haven't claimed a great trial and later on having a huge deal for the next month at Shopify. So once we are here into our current themes, you want to locate the left part here. So here, as you can see, we have the applications. I hit here into apps and I type the word color swatched and I go for searched in the Shopify App Store. This one should be taking me into the App Store of Shopify where I can purchase and I can download and install a lot of applications that can be helping you to do so much more. In this case, I would look out for glow color swatched. As you can see here, it's into the left part. You can try it out with another applications if you wanted to. Just make sure this one comes with free plan so you don't have to pay extra for that. So now, as you can see here is my color swatch variant imaged. So we're going to hit now into install. Once you have installed this element, the color swatch application, we want to navigate directly into the app settings. So we can change from a range of predefined colors and create custom colors to match our product offering. So if I hit now into install, my application should be installed directly. And I wanted to make sure now that this one has now been enabled into my store so I can see it in here. So usually this one should be taking it directly into the home dashboard of the application. As you can see here it is. I wanted to make sure that we are using a free plan. And this one only is available for 100 products and color swatched. So as you can see, we are okay with that. So now, as you can see, it says published my actual theme. So it says selected plan from the store. And I choose continue as free, continue as free. Now hit now into go to the theme editor so I can enable this directly into my store. So this one should be sending you automatically into the editor and into the apt and beamed section. So you make sure you are in here into apt and beamed and global enabled. So I hit now into save. When it's successfully done, I go back and I can sync to my online store. So here I just make sure that I have here the element that says synced now and it says synced data. So it says synchronizing my data and automatically my elements should be added there. Now what I need to do is to make sure that I have a color swatch into the product I want to add. For example, here I go for a product. I select my product and inside there, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and choose the element that says variance. Inside variance, I look out for color. Option colors, let's look out for gold. And hit now into done. Into the variant, I'm going to be adding a new image. So go for add image. And here is my gold color. So hit now into done. And my variant should be added there. And as you can see, it says new. So what I can do now is to look out for a new element. So in this case, I'm going to hit now into save. I'm going to close this and let's go back directly into the application where we're currently at, into the color swatched. Into color swatched, I want to look out and edit my actual appearance and configure the color filters. So here, I wanted to make sure that here I have synced my data once again. For color, affects one product, color a custom image swatched, show on color, and configure this color. So here's the preview. The item should be gold, and the color should be appearing in here. In this case, I choose something related with gold, for example, something like this. And here I use exactly the same color. And I synced this once again with the data of my color. And lastly, what I need to do is to test the color filter functionality. So before making your color filters live on your Shopify store, thoroughly test the color filter functionality. I go back here, I reload my page, and I make sure that the color filtering is now working correctly. So as you can see here into the right part, we do have the color swatched, but we don't have added yet the color filter. So I can go into my online store once again. I go for themes. Directly into themes, I locate customization. I look out for my product, and there you go. Now I've just figured out that we are not able to check it out here because we don't have a plan to focus in adding this widget directly into our storefront, but you have to worry about it because what you can do is to add it once you have an active plan directly into Shopify. So guys, it's a really easy tutorial, guys. Just make sure that the color swatches has successfully been added into your store. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more great tools of how we can actually make sure this one has been added directly into your store. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all that being said, you can see to your brand new section of TechSpress. See you next time.